To create a TikTok shop in Pakistan, you need to start by downloading and installing the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once installed, sign up for an account if you don't already have one. After signing up, go to the profile section and tap on the three dots to access the settings. From the settings, select Creator Portal and then tap on Seller University. In the Seller University section, you will find a link to register for a TikTok Shop account. To register for a TikTok Shop account, you will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to provide your business information, including your business name, address, and tax identification number. After submitting your registration, you will need to wait for approval from TikTok. This can take a few days, so be patient. Once your account is approved, you can start setting up your TikTok shop by adding products, descriptions, and prices. To add products, go to the seller portal and select the Add Product option. From there, you can upload product images, add product descriptions, and set prices. Make sure to follow TikTok's guidelines and policies when adding products to your shop. In addition to adding products, you will also need to set up a payment method. TikTok Shop in Pakistan supports various payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and online banking. To set up a payment method, go to the seller portal and select the payment options. Finally, to start selling on TikTok Shop, you need to promote your products to your target audience. You can do this by creating engaging videos and posts that showcase your products and share them on your TikTok account. You can also use hashtags and tag relevant users to increase your reach and engagement. By following these steps, you can create a successful TikTok shop in Pakistan and start selling your products to a large and engaged audience. Remember to always follow TikTok's guidelines and policies, and to provide excellent customer service to your buyers.